Hey everybody, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. So we're doing some prep work before we're painting walls. So here's a quick video on prep work for trim before you spray or paint and brush and roll, but trim prep work. Let's go take a peek. Let's go! All right, I'm going to get ready to embarrass Jose because we're doing prep work. So we're prepping on trim. Carpenters came in, put all the trim work up. So a couple places you can see, no, I need not focus, where these nails aren't in all the way. So we're going to have to get a hammer and pound those in. And then all these gaps here will all get filled in with caulk. These will all get filled in with caulk. Jose is working now. He's caulking all the base trim. He's got wood putty that he'll fill in all the nail holes everywhere. They used a lot of nails. I'm kind of surprised, but there's a lot of nails. So all of those have to get filled with putty. Where's the, oh, door frames. So there's a couple places where we're gonna have to do a little bit of TLC because when they put stuff in, they jacked up the door frame a little bit. So we're gonna have to bring some wood filler Bondo to fill that in. It's not a ton of prep work. They did actually a really good job. Most of the areas are pretty tight. There's a couple places where some decent sized gaps, but not a ton. And then they did some prep work on filling holes, but we'll sand that down to the rest of it. So for us, prep work before we're spraying trim, we are caulking along the wall and baseboard. We are caulking along the shoe and the base trim. All these holes will get filled with putty, sanded, and then most of this is masked. We'll do a little bit more masking on here, but then we're gonna spray all this and then paint walls. So that is the prep work we are doing on trim before we spray. If you have questions on the prep work needed to spray your trim, give us a call, let us know. We'll have to see how we can help you.